forget you guys. Let's go. We're at my parents' place. I'm gonna cut this lip box open and we're gonna get to work because like y'all saw in that video of us going down to LA, when I hit that tire, the entire lip just exploded. Literally, I watched it explode like over the windshield. So I think to hide some damage, this lip's gonna be perfect. All right guys, here's what we have. It's a 3-piece lip. We have this and that for the 2 ends, and then this big piece right in the middle. I really hope this fits. Ooh, nice and glossy black plastic. One little thing here. So nobody really makes lips for Boxsters. I got really lucky last time actually. I bought a generic lip off eBay for like $30 and it fit pretty well. This one right here, I think cost me somewhere around there. I'll go ahead and drop the link below. I think I bought it on sale at one point off eBay. So we're gonna see if this mounts up just the same. Hopefully it does, because if not, then I'm way past the return window. By the way, I'm using this brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Shout out to Jen for getting me this. Ooh, this is honestly so great. It's super portable. It literally fits in my pocket. And one last time before I put the lip on, check out how the bumper looks down here. There's a bit of damage from when I hit that tire. And it just, to me, it looks a little incomplete without a lip. I don't know why. I think I just got really used to having a lip on here. Quick test fit before I get to work. Ooh! Oh, that's gonna look great. By the way, this is kind of how I envisioned the entire piece looking. So, just for reference, that literally just sits under here. And it doesn't even lock into place necessarily, it just kind of overlaps, if that makes sense. I don't remember the car being this low. Ugh. Shout out to the eBay seller for throwing in some self-tappers here. Make my life a little easier. Like you can see right here, these two aren't lining up. And I think that's a me problem, so oopsies. Not bad, not bad. Check that out. So it's kind of mocked up, and I did not account for the width of this bumper, I guess. So, whoops. This looks okay. This I am totally unhappy with, because you can see right there, it looks pretty bad. It looks even worse from up top. So what I'm thinking is I'll leave these sides and just get rid of the middle and run this lip for who knows how long. Yeah, sounds like a plan? Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. I'm liking this side right here. It looks pretty good. Not really liking this side. It's hanging out way too much. So I'm gonna go adjust this really quick. So we just finished the 2 sides and I think it looks pretty solid. Honestly, I'm okay with this. I think it is a great replacement to what I had before. It tucks away a little farther than I'd like, but that's okay. There was just no way I was gonna get this piece mounted. Check it out from the side. Nice little subtle accent. Come around this way. Check out this side. I am totally happy with this. I don't know how long this lip is gonna last for. The last one lasted pretty long, but this one, maybe not as long with all the stuff I drive over, but hey, we'll see. I am itching to take this thing on a drive though, so we are gonna head out to Pebble Beach to check out the new Kith Taylormade collab. They're doing a little pop-up out there at some store. Hey, Dad.
Hello.
What's up, Mommy?
Come on.
Hi.
All right.
Check my,
New tint. So you just got this done?
yeah.
Nice. It looks good. It was 30% before, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dark.
Yeah, that 30% up to 70% makes a huge difference. You can actually see out of this. That's pretty cool. Damn, all right. I guess they sold out on everything. Oh, that's crazy. Are you trying the gloves on? I guess they can't sell the displays. All right, guys, bummer. They sold out of literally everything I wanted. And this pop-up was supposed to be around apparently for like 2 months, and it's been 6 days and they've sold out of almost everything. Well, you know, it was worth a look. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Till next time, peace.